In this video, we will learn how to encrypt your Cisco router passwords, protecting them from unauthorized access and keeping your network secure.
Imagine your passwords exposed in plain text. It's like leaving your door wide open for attackers.
Unencrypted passwords can cause major breaches, allowing hackers to steal sensitive data, disrupt operations, and inflict financial and reputational damage. Many industries require password encryption to meet regulations like GDPR and HIPAA. Non-compliance risks fines, legal issues, and loss of trust, while encryption protects your reputation and ensures long-term success.
Enter privileged mode with Enable. Prompt changes to hash. Then type Configure Terminal, conf-t, to access Global Configuration Mode, config mode, where you can modify router settings.
Setting a password with Enable Password stores it in plain text, making your network highly vulnerable and unsafe.
Use the Enable Secret command to secure your router with strong encryption, like MD5 or SHA-256. Simply type Enable Secret, your password, to protect against unauthorized access.
Use the Service Password Encryption command to encrypt existing passwords, adding basic security, less strong than Enable Secret, but better than plain text.
Use Enable Secret for stronger security. It uses irreversible hashing, MD5 or SHA-256, while Service Password Encryption is weaker and reversible.
Use the Show Running Config command to check that your router passwords are encrypted. They should appear as hashed, not plain text, under Enable Secret and Password. Unencrypted passwords are like unlocked doors, while encrypted ones act as fortified vaults, offering far stronger protection against unauthorized access.
Encryption is essential, but not enough. Use strong, complex passwords, update them regularly, and train users to recognize phishing to strengthen overall security.
To recap, configure strong password security by using Enable Secret, applying Service Password Encryption, verifying with Show Running Config, and enforcing strict password policies to reduce unauthorized access risks.
Secure your small business network to protect sensitive data, build customer trust, and prevent financial losses. Prioritize Enable Secret to safeguard admin access.
You've learned to encrypt Cisco router passwords, strengthening security, reducing cyber risks, and protecting your data and reputation. Stay vigilant and keep improving your defenses.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.